Guthrie Memorial Library in Hanover. We have a northern here. Let's listen to that motor going up. Let's go to G. Here's your EPCO fixtures right here. Here's your inspection ticket right here. This was inspected yesterday. F. Look at the cab going up. This is just your standard, basic, tall elevator cab. Actually pretty nice. And this thing loves to chime. 3 of them is locked. Ended off at G. Actually see through the doors. This is overall pretty nice. Although, yeah, I think this is it's a northern.